Ano to? Grabe.
Gratawanan.
Pure
Yes, this is just
grabe.
Pure Entertainment. This is brought to you by the original
SabongInternational.com.
Independence Day special to.
Hey! Wow! What an fake! Yun lang. Pero grabe
Right. Napaka-close ng laban ha. Ang score natin is 0-0.
Sobrang close.
Napaka-close ng laban. 0-all.
Wow!
Eto na.
May dribble siya pero nawawala yung bola. And
No! Munti ka na!
muntik na. Akala ko shumot na Grabe.
Kanina, sabi mo yung dribbling skills ni Sanderford. Train siya ni Callie Irving.
Grabe, no? Our first points!
First salvo goes to Makagwapo!
Hey, Makagwapo with that serious face.
Look at that replay.
Look at that
replay.
Grabe. What do you think, bro, Carlo? Is that skills or luck? No, pero tingin ko sa training skills yan. Galing. Magaling talaga si Bert. Gano'n kami magbiruan
Actually, you nailed it. Galing mo doon, JM. Simple ka lang, JM.
Of course, that's how we roll.
Yes, that's right.
Makagwapo. Hey! That's good. Galing ha.
Ganda yun ha.
And
taking his time ha. Yun nga lang, di tumama. Okay, kanya pa rin.
Merc dominating the
court.
Hey!
Ayun naman, turn around. Meron pala si Merc doon. Alright.
That's a nice move, by the way, kasi syempre, hindi talaga sila marunong, pero yung naano nila ngayon, grabe. Talaga nag-training sila.
Hindi tumama lang rin, kaya he was called for a 24-shot clock violation.
Exactly.
Eto, look at Sanderford. First step! Naunahan si Gray doon! Wow, nakakuha ng foul, JM!
Grabe, ang galing din.
So he has a chance to shoot 2 free throws.
Para mapantayan yung score ni Merc.
Alright. Eto, walang bantay ito, JM ha.
Let's see kung meron talaga shooting skills yan si Sanderford.
Nag-stretching pa.
Alright. Let's see.
Okay, first shot for Sanderford.
Wait, I think he stepped on the line.
Medyo nag-forward siya no? Yun yung motion niya na pagka-release niya ng ball. Let's see if he can convert this second free throw. Nasa linya! Split charity for Sanderford. Wow, he is on the board right now. The score is 2-1.
So, dikit pa din ang laban.
Again, kung sino man 10 minutes lang to ha. Wow!
That's nice.
Grabe!
He's having trouble of handling the ball.
And I'm sure that's courtesy of Callie Irving. Tinuro ni Callie Irving yun.
Pero, grabe, no? Problema na lang talaga handling. Meron siyang
meron siyang dribbling, may handling, and then anong problema?
Kaso natatanggal sa kamay niya Butterfingers.
Right. And again, this is regalo ng Sabong International.
Independence Day special.
Independence Day special.
Pure entertainment, guys.
Malaya tayong i-release yung stress at tumawa. Alisin mo natin yung problema. Stolen by Sanderford. Ang taas nun ha. Nakawala.
Alright.
Si Merc ha. JM, si Merc, game face. Seryoso,
game face. Seryoso talaga. Grabe yung training nan. Look at that. See?
Marami. Ginagamit talaga nila yung shot clock. Medyo may foul na yun. Napaka-clear nun. Foul na yun.
Wow, that's nice.
Nga pala, para sa mga live streamers, mga kahombre, lahat na nanood, medyo kung mapapansin yun, medyo maluwang yung restrictions ng foul dito. Hindi masyadong mahigpit. As you can see, hindi naman sila talaga mga players.
They're not players. Ang laking adjustment nga, like I said, na nag-practice sila for this game. Pero as I can see, both of them are like, hinihingal na. Guys, nakakahingal talaga, plus the pressure pa.
Yes, syempre, ang daming tumalpak sa kanila
Tama, tapos alam din nila sa sarili na hindi talaga sila player. But they're doing their best to give you guys a good show.
Of course, imagine, wala silang history ng basketball playing experience and then they were given a chance here sa Battle of YouTubers, diba? Courtesy of Sabong International and Boss MJ, of course. They were given a chance. Big stage to.
This is a
As
big
you all know,
stage.
Brusco and Billionaire Gang. Yun ang mga pioneers kayo.
So, ayan, kita naman natin. Pagod na sila, but they're still doing their best.
Buti na lang na nagtawag sila ng time. Anyway, 3 timeouts each 3
times.
Alright.
So, naka-ano na si Merc.
Yes, let's see kung anong gagawin.
Wow.
Medyo kinakaldag ng konti.
Wow! Ang ganda na nun Pwede
grabe yung defense ni Sanderford Talagang napaka-lapit niya shot clock violation.
Shot clock violation.
Oh!
Tiktik ang basketball game.
Yes, oo, dikdikan to, of course. Kasi alam nila may mga tumalpak sa kanila.
Oo, grabe.
Oops, eto na. Eto na naman. Actually, si Merck more on going to the right side and then he will turn around, ha?
Oo.
Oy, foul na naman si Sanderson Ford. JM, foul na naman.
Yeah, I think gusto ko makita yung yung talagang play nila ngayon. Siguro ngayon kinakapahan pa nila since pa lang.
Oo.
Una pa lang. Pero mamaya pag nagkainit, pag malapit na maubos yung time.
Oo, feeling ko diyan nila ibibigay lahat.
Oo, doon sila mag-go all out.
Grabe, may nakita ko yung eye-to-eye contact nila. Oy, nakawala! Great first step by Merck. Sa kanya ulit, kay Merck ulit.
Oh, Merck
using his body. Oy, foul na naman si Sanderford.
Oh, you can see the game face on both of them.
Yes, pero JM, parang nasaktan si Merck doon sa landing pag-land niya. Pero I think he's okay. He's okay. Papagpag niya lang yan.
Alam mo si Merck nakita ko nag-training yan, grabe. Hindi yan sumasablay. Mapapahiya ako pag sumala yan.
Oo, napanood.
Mapapahiya ako pag sumala yan.
Napanood ko yung mga video sa teaser.
Diba?
Yes!
I told you! See?
Yun yung shot niya, yung off the glass. Madalas ko nakikita yan dito pag nag-warm up, JM. Parating using the board.
Yan, nakakashoot din talaga.
Yes.
Ewan ko lang kay Sanderford kasi may nakita lang akong videos yung nakakashoot din siya. Alright, so
so let's go back to the ball game and then Sanderford has a chance to trim the lead or
wow, look at that.
the ball game. It depends. Okay, madami pa shot clock dito. They were given 24 seconds. Lots of time. Alright. Oy, wala.
Oh, still got the ball.
Nagdalawang isip siya ron, ha? Nagdalawang isip siya.
Was that a foul or traveling?
I think it was what's that? Pushing foul? Oh, a timeout was called once again. Okay, timeout. Oy, grabe si Boss Jonah natin, ha? Look at that. Look at the huddle, talagang serious sila kay Merck. And siyempre sa kabilang side.
Sila din, of course.
Si Collier Irving and then si Coach.
Pero grabe talaga training din nila.
Yes, look at as you can see on the screen, nakafocus sa team ni Sanderford.
Tinuturo remember your training, okay? Huwag kayong mape-pressure.
Oo, again, for the benefit yung sa mga live streamers natin, yung mga followers nyo, nag-training to.
Sobra talaga, grabe.
Pinagandaan nila to, syempre. Kasi nga, alam naman natin na big stage to sa online. And then, of course, Battle of YouTubers, nag-create na ng noise to di ba?
Tsaka, kahit anong mangyari, bilog ang bola.
Right.
Ganun talaga mangyari. Kahit anong mangyari, bilog ang bola.
Tama ka doon, JM. And again, this is the Independence Day edition of Battle of YouTubers.
Thank you, Sabong International, for making this happen.
Yes, and again, the original Sabong International. At medyo naguluhan si Sander doon. Sander, aatakihin si Merck. Anyway, lots of time. Oy!
Whoop! Wow! What a tie!
Off the glass!
Grabe! So, parehas na ng score. Oh! What is happening?
Grabe the score na JM, the score is tied at 3 apiece.
Grabe, tiktika rin sobra. Si Kuya MJ, di na makahinga kakataon.
Okay. Sila, Boss MG, sila Tony, and si Vince. Grabe dito sa side natin. Oh, by the way, time left is 3 minutes and 35 seconds left.
3 minutes left.
Medyo nakakalimutan nila yung time kasi nagkakatuwaan ngayon And
wow, nice defense by Sanderford.
Yes, that's right.
Merck, you gotta pass that. Oh,
akala ko tatawagan ng foul si Sander doon.
What a...
ito, battle for the loose ball. Ito, kay Merck pa rin. Merck
really
hitting the side of the board, JM.
Yeah, I think, siguro na-pressure na lang gawa.
Tama.
Binabantayan siya ni Sanderford.
Actually, in fairness, maganda yung defensive stance ni Sanderford.
Ni Sanderford, but still...
And now
nakikita natin, tie pa rin sila.
Right now.
Alright, Merck has the ball now.
Okay, ito na si Merck. Sasagasaya. Ito na. Straight to the hoop! And one play for Merck!
That is a tiebreaker!
Wow! Grabe yun!
Grabe nila.
Oh, yes. Oo, kanina.
11.
Naglolokohan pa sila First pa sila 11. Pero let's see.
How you gonna pass it?
Nice move, ha?
Nice move.
Okay,
grabe yan.
Pero nakabantay pa rin si Merck. Ay, malakas. Okay, Sanderford.
Okay.
punti ka mag-
Oh!
Crossing
He
on the
crossed the line!
Oo nga eh.
I think hindi na-practice ni Sanderford na huwag lalagpas. Siguro sanay siya sa whole court.
Pwede,
I think.
oo.
Not sure, pero.
Not sure, oo.
Yeah.
Pero hindi niya nakita yung
But
line.
this kid has moves too. Kahit na hindi siya hindi talaga siya basketball player. Nakikita ko
pero may galaw siya kasi,
may galaw siya.
Di ba dancer yan?
Oo, grabe.
So pwede niya ma-apply kasi yan eh. Oy, nakawala si Merck kaso may foul.
Foul.
Unlimited fouls to, kaya pwede niyang gamitin yung fouls niya. Pero dapat strategically.
Grabe si Kuya LG, sobrang entertained sa dalawa eh.
Grabe.
Tawa.
Kung nakikita lang nila sa side natin.
Hey, well,
Oy, grabe. Seryoso si
nice
Merck.
move.
Gagamitin ni Merck yung balikat niya.
Let's see how
Ayun! Wala, kanya pa rin.
It's still
Hindi
good.
tumama, it's live ball, live ball.
Sanderford has the ball.
Okay, na kay Sanderford ngayon. Op!
Oh.
Hindi niya alam kung i-dribble pa niya. Pero sige, dahil maluwang tayo ngayon, go! Go lang! Oy! Medyo may small May small na tulak!
What a
Shot by
try!
Sanderford!
Grabe!
Oo. Medyo may unting natulak Sanderford.
Pero ganda laban
Yes,
ito
oo.
Grabe, nanginginig yung tuhod ko sa
Hindi
dalawa.
pa lumalamang si Sander sa laban na to. Let's see
Tama,
if this
let's
will
see
be
if
the
we can-
play. Eto na, he launches, but short.
Alright.
Okay. Out of bounds. Si Merck parang hinahapo look at how he walks
So yung mga tumalpak sa kanila, naka-cross
Yes,
fingers na kung
oo.
sino ba talaga.
Kaya nga hindi mo masasabi.
Grabe.
Great matchup made by
Wow, nice
Sabong
move again.
International and Boss MG.
Yeah, thank you
Match na
Sabong
match.
International for making this happen.
Yes.
Battle of the YouTubers.
Yes. Ayun gumamit na ng katawan. Pero wala. Okay, Sanderford.
Alright.
Hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin niya kasi na-pick up niya na. Oy, nag-exhibition pa! Matagal pa siya. Oy, ang layo!
What?
Steph Curry range yun
Grabe yun.
Grabe yun!
Nagulat ako.
Lahat
I was
dito
stunned.
nagulat. Bigla niya na-release.
Oo.
Oh, turn around! Oy, almost
Oh.
but not quite for Merck. He tries another one. Talagang ginagamit niya yung katawan niya, which is good strategy.
Wow! Nice.
He fishes for a foul. That's good. That's good move for
Alright.
Merck.
So we still have 47 seconds
Yes.
on the time
Oh.
clock.
Gaya na sinabi ko sa'yo kanina, parang hinahapo si Merck. Nagsisignal siya ng timeout kay Jonah.
Yeah.
Nagsisignal siya. Pero I think isang timeout na lang siya
Oo
Kasi
nga.
di ba nakadalawa na siya kanina?
Ako titignan mo, may press naman sila pagod na.
Oo.
Pero siguro under pressure silang dalawa.
That's right,
Thinking
oo.
that ang daming tumaya, grabe.
Oo. Oy, JM, 47 seconds left. Ang bilis. 47 seconds left na lang sa game na to, ha?
Oo, ang bilis, pero marami pang pwede mangyari.
Oo. Again, i-remind ko lang, kapag natapos ang 10 minutes at tie ball game, this game will be decided sa free throws.
Free throws.
Okay?
Yeah.
They will shoot
Oh.
alternately. Okay? Ayun na, kanya ulit ang bola. Kanya ulit. Alright, malapit sa bola. Actually, maganda yung strategy ni Merck. Nilalapit niya talaga.
Yeah.
Nilalapit niya sa
Oo,
ring.
talagang make sure niya talaga.
Oo, high percentage shot, di ba, JM? Nilalapit niya eh.
Tinitake advantage niya din ni Merck, like, since mas malapat siya kay Sanderford.
Tama. Oo. Alright, timeout was called.
Timeout, I go for, Sanderford.
Sanderford will go first.
Alright. So,
Tingnan natin.
dalawang free throws, right? Or
I think isa.
isa lang, pero
Oo.
kailangan lumamang is dalawa.
Isang free throw and then si Merck ang mag-shoot. And then si Merck, salitan sila. Salitan
Okay,
sila.
okay.
Oh, hindi two consecutive free throws, salitan.
Oh, alright, salitan,
Oo.
okay.
So ang una makakonvert ng 2 free throws dito sa salitan
Siya
na
yung
to,
panalo.
siya yung nalo.
Alright.
Grabe to, exhibition game lang.
Wow!
Well, this is basic, JM, di ba? You're playing basketball.
Yeah.
Dito, free throw, it's a mortal sin pagka nag-shoot ka. But syempre, di ba, forgiven to mga to dahil hindi naman sila ganun. Walang bantay ito eh, walang bantay. Pero hindi naman sila ganun talaga naglalaro. And that's why it's an
Alright.
entertaining game, di
Mga
ba?
kagwapo.
Oo, makagwapo. Wow, tumuturo pa. Let's see! Wala.
Go,
Grabe,
go.
ha?
Yeah, QMG is laughing his ass off right now.
First free throw pa lang, pahirap pa na makakuha. Ha?
Very entertaining, guys.
Oo. Sulit na sulit. Oy!
Oh, he
Who
made
would
it.
have thought na si Sanderford pa yung mauna?
Dalawa. Pero dalawa dapat ang laman.
So, isang free throw kay Sander,
Merck
panalo
still
na
got
siya.
the
Pero
shot.
let's see kung makakahabol
Let's
si
go.
Merck. Oh, that was strong. Eto, JM, pakita na shoot ni Sanderford. panalo na siya.
Iya kasi sa dalawang lamang, no?
Yes. Isang shoot na lang ni Sander, pag ito na-convert, panalo na siya. Again, di pa siya lumalamang sa larong to, ngayon pa lang. Oh.
Alright. So I think it's gonna take like a few minutes. Okay, Merc.
Grabe.
Para habulin ang score ni Sander Ford.
Nakita mo yung grupo mo, Brusco fam. Excited,
They're all excited.
Oh.
Wow!
Speaking of excited, grabe. Lalo tayo na-excite dahil tabla.
Grabe, no? Kanina ba sila nagtatabla? 3, 5, 6.
Kaya nga eh.
Grabe.
Pero ito, pag ito na-shoot ni Sander, okay na.
Siya na?
It's over.
Oh, okay. So, let's see.
May gulat factor. May gulat strategy from Brusco fam.
That's what we call the battle cry.
Yeah.
Alright, so Merc.
Okay. Grabe yung cheating squad ni Merc.
Win this game.
Let's see.
I think.
Oh!
Grabe.
Sayang, that was close.
That was super close. Niluwa ng
Pero
ng ring.
tingnan natin kung ma-shoot niya. Let's see. Okay. Another one.
So, Merc.
2-point margin dapat 2 points margin.
Let's go, Merc.
Margin, okay. Kailangan ma-convert
Let's go,
niya to.
Merc.
Kailangan ma-convert niya to. Uy. Eto.
So if Sander Ford made this shot, panalo na siya.
It's over.
Kasi
yes.
2 points.
That's right.
Okay.
It's over. It's gonna be 8 and 6.
But right.
Talagang may pag-asa
May
pa
pag-asa talaga si Merc, grabe. Kayang-kaya ni Merc kasi nag-practice din siya.
Grabe.
Hindi niya lang na-implement ngayon kasi medyo pressure siya. Pero once na makapag-relax yan, he will make that basket.
Lucky bounce!
Relax lang.
Grabe, lucky bounce from Merc. Nakagwapo.
Grabe yung tie nila. 3, 5, 6, and 7.
So with that, kailangan pa rin makashoot ng dalawa para manalo.
You know what's gonna be funny? Kapag umabot sila ng 21.
Wow. I can't imagine that, JM.
But I think
it's gonna be a long
Merc's
night.
Gonna win this game. Niluluwa talaga.
Okay.
It's gonna be a freaking long night. Hindi lang 10 minutes ng game na to pag umabot ng 21.
Grabe tong Independence Day edition ng Battle of YouTubers exhibition match.
Tayo pa din hanggang ngayon.
After that grueling 10 minutes basketball match, eto nakakapagpahinga sila. Shooting lang. Dito sila mananalo.
There! Have it!
One more.
Kasi 2 points up.
Yes,
Let's see kung siya naman yung hahabol.
Kaya nga, medyo ahead ngayon si Merc. Uy, munti ka na.
Pero at least nakalamang si Sander, di ba? So,
eto, JF, pag na-shoot ni Merc to, panalo na.
Magdidiwang na ang buong pumunta kay Merc.
For the win! Nakagwapo! Out of line.
Nawala siya konti sa line.
Eto si Sander Ford. Let's see kung
you think makakahabol pa si Sander?
He will tie the score. Ang ganda nun,
So nice.
Hindi tumama sa board,
Brother Carlo, I told you, hanggang 21 tayo dito.
Come on, JM, come on. JM.
But, depende kung tatapusin na ni Merc. So, wala pa din.
Sulit, grabe. Was MG race to 21 nga to.
KFG, what if hanggang 21 to? Wala tayong magagawa, no? It's the thing.
And this is Independence Day special. Battle of YouTubers. Ganito masaya rito. Diba? Hindi tayo uwi, hanggat mo lang nananalo. Kawawa naman yung mga talpackers, diba? Hanggat mo lang mananalo.
Okay.
Alright, sige lang.
Grabe, from 5 to 9.
But seriously, JM, this only shows kung ano importance ng free throw.
Tama.
Sa basketball, mapabaguhan ka man, mapaka-veterano ka man maglaro, ganyan ka-importante yung free throw. You know it, diba? Napapagod na yung legs mo, yung arms mo.
Speaking of napapagod na kinapos niya si Sander Ford.
Kapos na yun.
Kapos na.
Airball yung shot na yun.
Well, I think, nakafocus siya. Perfect. Wala pa din.
Wala pa rin. Grabe. Natatawa ako, JM.
Wow! Okay. So, nakalisay sa 9 points.
Ganun parati. And then, parating may humahabol.
Yeah, but look at Merc. He's gonna make this perfect release.
Sayang. Kitang-kita natin dito sa angle natin.
No? Pero ang ganda ng niya. Hindi lang, kinulang lang sa
short
force.
lang.
Tama.
Eto, for the win na ba, Sander Ford? Sanderford for the win na ba? Pag matalo to, kulong daw to eh.
Oh!
And that's it! That's it! Sanderford won this game via 2 free throws.
Oh, there you
A
have it,
deciding
folks.
winning free throws.
There you have it, folks. I
That's
think
the rule. 2-point winning
Yeah.
margin. Up, let's see, para may
What
konting
seems to be
discussion
going
pa.
on
May
here?
some discussions pa, but it's clearly, it's
Nice,
over.
good.
The referees have confirmed it's over. What a
Alright.
ball game. Grabe tong larong to.
Grabe, grabe.
Go. All right.